Okay, if you're a content creator or streamer, you most likely wanting to do multi-streaming, which honestly, Twitch now allows you to do multi-streaming, which is very useful to actually expand not only your community, but get more reach to viewers that you might not ever reached before. But today I'm going to be showing you guys how you can easily set up multi-streaming for your own experiences, and it's very straightforward to do. So without further ado, let's get straight to what you need to do. Now first, there will be a link in the description which will take you straight to Atom. Now Atom is actually really well known when it comes to streamers, because not only do they have plugins for multi-streaming, but they also have plugins for vertical streaming and recording, and so many more plugins. But what you're going to do obviously is install the application onto your device, whether it's Windows or Mac, which honestly is nice that they do support both platforms. Now once you've installed, just open up the application and then install into your OBS, which will take a few seconds. Now once you have done that, what you gotta do is open up your OBS and it should be installed. If you don't see the Atom window pop up on your OBS, now don't worry, you did nothing wrong. All you gotta do is really go to your docs on your OBS, which is located on the top of your screen, and you can easily spot the Atom multi-stream plugin located on your docs. Now of course you can also put this Atom plugin anywhere on your OBS, wherever you prefer it to be, obviously to manage your streams and obviously multi-streaming. Now you can already see that you have your built-in stream. That's gonna be the platform that you're already signed in on your OBS. Now that's gonna be your main canvas, and it's gonna be the main hub for your multi-streaming. Now as you can see, you do have options of obviously main streams, which is going to be horizontal streams, and you have your vertical streams, which is obviously for most that want to stream on TikTok or even YouTube Shorts. Now to add more outputs or different platforms, it's actually pretty straightforward to do. Now all you gotta do really is click the gear icon. It'll take you to this following screen. Now if you are wanting to add more horizontal streams, go to your main canvases and you can add a new output. And they actually make it very simple for you to actually select what type of platforms you want to stream on. So you can select YouTube, and all you gotta do is really paste in your stream key. Now what's nice about this plugin is that not only can it just copy the same settings from the mainstream canvas, but you can also just adjust it with your own custom settings for each platform. So let's say if you want 8,000 kilobits of bitrate for one stream and 12,000 on a different stream, you can do so. It's a very straightforward to actually set that up. And obviously the same situation happens with the vertical canvas. And once you have done that, you are basically finished. All you gotta do is click live and you should be live on different platforms. But always let me know in the comments below if this tutorial has helped you to basically understand how to set up multi-streaming. It's very straightforward to do, and it's honestly really fun to do so with multi-streaming. But always, I hope you guys enjoyed. See you guys next video. Be safe as always, and have a great day.